Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is MayuMilly and karibu sana to the Slaysquad. I want to make this video as quick as possible. So I recently got a request from my TikTok account that where do I buy my makeup products. So this came to me and I just ordered them from Killmall. It's an online shopping center. Oh my god, I'm panting. Oh my god. Anyways, Killmall. It's an online shopping center where people get to shop. You either get through home delivery plus the pickup station. Mimi nilieka pickup station because I know the home delivery they can just come here when I'm waking up and I'm like, my face is not that nice. Anyways, these are the products that I recently ordered from Killmall. It's actually a makeup thing. Yes. So we're going to start chambuaring them. Kuzichambua. So first thing, this is a beauty blender. This makeup thing, I think it was around 1,499. I think that is the price. Yeah, beauty blender. Then I have some lashes over here. Then glamorous lashes. I don't know what these ones are for. I don't know what this one are called. Made in China. I don't know. There are two, by the way. There are two and they are 3D. Yeah, 3D. Then I have this this concealer. This white thing. I don't know if you guys can see correctly. The light is too much, and I'm really sweating on my face. And then the other part. So yeah. Then we have some makeup brushes, the 5, I think they're 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Don't know if you guys can see correctly. Yeah. Then we have the Maybelline Fit Me primer, and then we have this Babe Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I really love this. It goes for around 384, and this one goes for 720. Then we have this over here. It's actually a mascara. This one is mascara. Let me just remove them. And this one is eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. Yeah. And then this one is mascara. That is how it's actually opened. So there. And then we have the brow powder. I don't know if you guys can see. Hey, skin is like I think this thing is not really. It has stencils plus 2 the brow brushes. Yeah. And then we have stencils. They're actually around, I don't know, 8 or what, something like that. And then we have the brow powder. This is how it's opened, and this is how it looks like. And then I just close it like that. And then we have the 10 makeup brushes. I've already been using this brush. These days I'm actually lazy applying makeup on my face. There are actually 10 of them. There are actually 10. And then we have the Sacha powder. Let me just open for you guys to see. Sorry about that. So this is how it looks like. I don't know if I can do this for you guys to see because the light is too much. Yeah, so it's yellow. It goes for around 320. Yes. And then we have the matte foundation. Yeah. And then we have this. You guys, this makeup kit. I don't know how much this was. I don't know. Maybe I'll remember and put something in the description bar. So let's just open this thing together. I've got the box. I don't know if you guys. This is how the box. Nikadogo lakini. This thing is so cute, by the way. It's really cute. And this is how it's opened. Let me just open it. Oh my god, I'm even nafungulia hapa hivi mbele. I haven't been using it because yenye niko nayo bado haijaisha. So there, and then we do this on the other side. And then sorry. I'm just being careful. Hivi chini inafunguka na hivi. And then we have this plus 2 brushes. There are 3 of them. Let me just show you guys. ones. Yes, this thing is actually one of my favorite. I just love this. I love this. Anyways, that's it for this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe down below. There's a red thing over here for new videos every week.